Other than the tags described in this section, most of your page formatting will be done using CSS. So let me give you a quick introduction to the more important CSS text properties. I'll be covering these later in the course. This way you can get a quick comparison to the formatting elements you just learned. The number in the CSS column here in this table indicates in which CSS version the property is defined, CSS1 or CSS2. So important CSS text properties include the color property, which sets the color of the text. The line height sets the distance between lines of text. Letter spacing increases or decreases the space between characters. Text align aligns the text in an element, either left, right, center, or full justify. Full justify is where the text is even on both the right and the left. In most cases, you'll want to left justify your text copy, as this makes it easier to read. You might want to center title text and other special text sections, but mostly you'll be left justifying the text. You also have text decoration. This adds decoration to text. None, underline, overline, line through, or blink. You probably don't want to ever use blink, but there may be rare occasions when you want to have blinking text, but mostly blinking text is very annoying and hard to read. Text indent indents the first line of text in an element. The values are length or percentage. Text transform controls the letters in an element. None capitalize, uppercase, or lowercase. Notice that there's no superscript or subscript here. That's why I covered those tags in this section. You'll mostly have to hard code superscripts or subscripts into your text formatting. You also have the Unicode style as well as vertical align, which sets the vertical alignment of an element. Baseline, sub, super, top, text top, middle, bottom, text bottom. The values are length or percentage. And then the white space style sets how white space inside of an element is handled, normal, pre, or no wrap. I'll be giving you examples of this a little bit later. Probably easier to see that than for me to define it. And then the last one is word spacing, increases or decreases the space between words. The values are normal or a length setting. So that gives you an idea of the kind of styles that are available to style your sections, pages, or individual elements with CSS. So that will conclude this section of the tutorial on basic formatting. Let's move on to the next section, color in the web. Most pages consist predominantly of text, but graphics are an important element of all web pages. So in the next section, I review color on the web, color schemes, image resolution, image file formats, how to get your images to load faster, how to insert images into pages, how to use background images in color, and much, much more.